Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by granting permissions and selecting sources. Open your recorder, choose screen or window capture, then enable microphone and system audio. Once you have mic levels visible, speak a test line to confirm input. Make sure resolution and frame rate match your output plan, 30 FPS for tutorials, 60 for smooth motion. You should also close distractions and silence notifications so audio remains clean. Now position the windows you'll record and prepare any scripts or visuals before hitting record. You start recording and narrate with intent. Press record, then enable your mic or use push-to-talk so you control what's captured. Monitor audio meters. Keep peaks below about -6 decibels to prevent clipping. While demonstrating actions, pause briefly at logical points and add verbal markers like marker or cut so editing is faster. Make sure to vary your pace and use short sentences when demonstrating complex steps, because that helps viewers follow and gives you clean edit points later on. You finish by stopping the recorder and immediately reviewing the clip for sync and audio quality. Save a backup copy before editing, then trim dead space and normalize levels so speech is consistent. Once done, add light background music under -18 dB to avoid overpowering your voice. If something went wrong, audio absent or out of sync, check permissions, the default input device, and drivers. Restart the app or system. If problems persist, re-record the short segment rather than the whole video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.